Get a free copy of Altium software using the link provided in this video description. When you sign up for an Altium Designer free trial, you will get an Altium 365 and 25% off discount. Hello and welcome to a new lesson. Today we will learn how to design a PCB in Altium Designer. The circuit that we want to build is an ultrasonic with Arduino Nano. So we will start from schematic to a PCB, and finally we will get a 3D view like this. So let's get started. First we will create a new project. So we will go to File, New, Project, then we will change the project name to ultrasonic sensor. Then we will select the folder, then hit create. After that we want to create a PCB and schematic files. So right click to the name of the project, then add a new to project, schematic, then PCB. Then we will save the two files in the same project file. Right click, save. Then we will start from the schematic. So this is the circuit that we want to build. So we need an ultrasonic and Arduino Nano. From manufacturer part search we will get an Arduino Nano. Right click, then place. Then we will go to SnappyDay website and download an ultrasonic library. Download simple and footprint. We will select Altium. Then we will go and download the 3D model. To install the library, we will go to the library and double click to the library and hit extract. Now we want to add a schematic and the footprint. Then we will add the footprint to the schematic. Browse, then OK. After that we want to remove the empty one. Then we will go to the footprint and add the 3D model to the footprint. So from place we will choose 3D body, then we will go to the 3D model, open. Now we want to drag it here, then we will go to view, 3D layout mode. Now we want to flip the ultrasonic board. From properties we will change the rotation of the axis. That's it. Then we will drag and drop to the footprint. Ctrl F to flip the board, and it's perfect. Then we will add a schematic and PCB library to the project. Schematic library, then PCB library. After that we will drag and drop the schematic file to the schematic library. and PCB file to the PCB library. Then we will delete that. Then save. Now we will back to the schematic sheet and add the ultrasonic sensor. Then we will connect the component according to the circuit. Then we will connect the ground and VCC. If you want to know more information about any component in the circuit, you have to go to Octopart website and read the datasheet of that component. Now we want to convert the schematic sheet to a PCB. So we will go to Design, Update PCB document, then we will hit Validate, Execute, then Close. After that we will select all the component and drag it to the workspace. Then we will delete the room and rearrange the component as you like. Now we want to change the board shape, so we will go to View, Board Planning Mode, then we will go to Design, Edit Board Shape, then we will change the board to fit all the components. Now we want to draw the copper tracks between the components. So we will go to Route, Auto Route, All, then Route All. Then Close. Now we want to view the 3D view, so we will go to View, 3D Layout Mode. So this is the final shape we got. Hopefully this video will be useful for you, and thank you for listening.
This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.